You know that moment when you sneeze, and your cat just stops everything to give you that judgmental stare? It's like they're silently questioning your life choices. But here's the surprising reason behind it. Cats have incredibly sensitive hearing, so when you sneeze, it's not just a loud noise to them, it's a sudden alarming sound that disrupts their world. They instinctively go into alert mode thinking, what just happened? Is my human okay? That stare? It's their way of assessing the situation, almost like they're saying, I'm watching you, human. Don't do that again. Plus, cats are territorial creatures, and any unexpected noise can make them feel uneasy. So, next time you sneeze and catch that judging glare, remember, it's not disdain. It's concern wrapped in feline sass.